What we have here is a 2003 BMW 325. As you can see, BMW. I'm going to open the engine compartment. Customer states we have a problem when she steps on the brake. Car was at a previous shop. The fuel pump and fuel filter was replaced. The mass airflow sensor was replaced. Customer also states that her check engine light is on all the time. Service engine light on. Okay, so we're going to check faults over here with our Snap-on Verus. And we have a bunch of faults here. Mixture preparation bank 2, mixture preparation bank 1, cylinder 5, cylinder 3, cylinder 2, intake air temperature sensor. And let me find my pen here for a second so we can scroll up. We also have a error management EGS. Most people won't know what that is. We'll get to that in a second. Based on our lean mixture faults and misfire faults, we're going to hook up our smoke machine to the BMW. We're going to go right in through the dipstick. Okay, so we got our smoke machine hooked up. We're going through the dipstick. Very simple procedure. And if you take a quick look, I'm going to see if I can zoom in there. You could see excessive smoke pouring right out of the boot. It's a very, very common problem with BMW. Very simple fix. Just need the right tool for the right job. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to get back to show you a picture of that mass airflow sensor. And what people don't know is that when the BMWs set an EGS management fault, which is one of the ones that we have, usually that is based on the airflow that is coming into the vehicle is not correct. That will cause a EGS DME interface fault, and that is caused by our air leak. So the previous shop before us must have had air mass meter fault, and they went ahead and replaced the air mass meter. Unfortunately, it was not necessary.